sir, pagpunta dito, ganun yun. Go, Alexis! Ay, di pa tapos? Walang kiss, ano? Walang kiss. Wala talaga ba? Wala? Yun na daw. Magagalit. Pagpakilala pa kayo sa pagdabilang dito sa harap natin. Okay, let's make friends dito. Sir, go ahead. Ikaw po mauna. Pwede microphone para kay Sir Ong. Ma'am, sino po ka dyan? Okay, let's go, sir. Pakilala po kayo sa kanila.
Hi, I'm Alexis from Caloocan.
Alright. So parang graded oral recitation. Okay, napaka-formal ni Sir Alexis. At syempre, sige po, pakilala ka. Please.
Maaari bang malaman? I'm Giselle Par.
Ano daw?
Giselle Par.
Giselle?
Par.
Or di na pangalan na dulo. Just, para nasarapan siya. Okay. Giselle, sir, meet Giselle. Siya, ay from Zamboanga, Sibugay. From Zamboanga. Sir Alexis, si Ma'am Alu po is from Zamboanga, Sibugay. Si Sir Sean ay from Bulacan, tama? No, sir. Dito po tayo, sir. Kayo po ang naniwag. Sean at Alu, bago na pakasal. Yes. 10 years? Correct! You get it right, girl! Ito. Kung ang merienda ay snack, ano naman ang ulam? Yes. Okay. Dish. No, it's not dish. Another, sir? Yes? Viand is correct! You get it right, sir! Okay. Game. Okay, ang gagawin natin dito, I have to answer the questions correctly if you want to be eliminated from the group. If you can answer the questions correctly, out na kayo. Ang hindi makatasagot ng tama, maiwan dito sa trip to Disneyland. Ay, bongga! Hong Kong Disneyland. You are the lucky winner tonight, Luan Bustamante! Oh! Congratulations! Halika, ma'am! Disneyland. Next, lucky winner to receive Chanel item, Chanel product. Siya ay si, what is this? Cathy Manaco. Cathy Manaco. Ay! Ayun si Ma'am. Yes, sir. Congratulations po. Okay. Next lucky winner will receive Shein product. Shein product. Sino kaya siya? Ay, hindi. Ay, H&M pala. H&M. Okay, ano kaya yan? H&M? Okay, product. We have Sherilyn Astolo. Oh, let's go. Ay, present na. Hello. Hindi talaga umunay talaga sa raffle. No? Galing. H&M ang patatanggap mo, ma'am. Excited ka na ba? H&M. Next. Okay, Fendi. Alam yung product ni Fendi? Yung mga shirts, di ba? Bag. Okay, Fendi. Okay, you are the lucky winner tonight, Robin Shane. Robin Shane, come on! Oh. Ayan, mga SFD. Wow! Yes. Okay. Next. Okay, we'll receive ito. 1,500. 3 winners. Wow. Tatlo sila ang makakauwi ng 1,500 each. Sino yan? Isa sa brand new PC. Oy, brand new PC magagamit dito sa school, sa office, o kahit saan dyan. Okay, congratulations to Roxanne Bustamante. Oh, diba? Unexpected, makakauwi ka ng brand new PC ngayon. Napakaswerte mo, ha? Okay. And winner will receive 5K. Congratulations. Halika, ma'am. You receive 5K, 5K, 5 kilos of rice! Congratulations! May bigas, diba? That is 1.5. Okay. Congratulations. We'll receive 1.5 of Coke! Congratulations po! Magkape muna tayo mamaya. O kasi... Money! Money! Thank you very much. Si ma'am, oo. Sige ma'am, open mo na. Okay. Alaka, sino kaya kasama ni ma'am sa Disneyland? Ay, teka lang. Ito natin. Mickey Mouse na, drawing book pala. No, pasensya ka na, ma'am. Thank you very much. At drawing book tayo ngayon. Oo, sa lahat kasi ng mga lakad natin, minsan, lahat, drawing. So, kaya, thank you very much. Alright. Oh! Wow! Wow! Hi, sir. Title of the show? Showtime. Mali. Okay. Mali! May kulang! That's correct, Sir Glenn. Okay, come over. Join Sir Joseph here in front at isa ka sa makakatanggap ng papremyo. Third show. Alright, what is this? Come on. Alright, we have here. Game ka na ba is? Correct! Matandaan sa inyo, hindi mo nakasakay ng aeroplano. ng airplane. Hindi. Nakapunta na ako yung dati pa. Okay. Sir, title of the show.
Maalala mo kaya?
Ay?
Kay Charo Santos.
And our answer, you got it right! Congratulations!
There's a party going on right here. A celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We're gonna celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate, have a good time. We're gonna celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! It's a celebration.
Katagan nyo ang pagsama nyo. Hindi naman magbigayan lang kayong dalawa. Yun lang masasabi ko sa inyo. Lalong-lalo na si Alsha. Alagaan.